In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel on TripAdvisor. We'll walk through the website or mobile app so you can find the right place to stay, compare prices with confidence, and complete a secure reservation without stress. Begin by opening TripAdvisor.com in your browser, or launch the TripAdvisor app on your phone. On the home screen, select Hotels or Places to Stay. Type your destination, add your check-in and check-out dates, and set the number of guests and rooms so availability and pricing are accurate. When you're ready, select Search to see what's available. Your results page shows hotel photos, user ratings and reviews, prices, and key amenities. Use the filters to narrow the list to what matters most to you. You can set a price range, choose a star rating, focus on guest review scores, and filter for perks like free cancellation. This makes it easier to avoid options that don't fit your needs or budget before you spend time comparing details. When a property catches your eye, open its detail page. Here you'll see multiple room types, prices from different booking partners, cancellation and payment policies, and guest reviews. Take a moment to read the fine print on each room, including whether breakfast is included, if payment is due now or at the property, and how cancellation deadlines work. Reviews can help you confirm things like location, cleanliness, and noise levels. Next, choose a booking option. Sometimes you'll see Book on TripAdvisor. That means you complete the reservation without leaving TripAdvisor, and TripAdvisor processes the booking with its partner behind the scenes. You'll receive a confirmation email from TripAdvisor that includes the partner's contact details. Other times, you'll see links to external booking partners like major travel sites. In that case, TripAdvisor redirects you, and you finish the reservation on the partner's website. When instant booking is available, you'll stay on TripAdvisor throughout checkout. Enter your details carefully. Provide guest names, contact information, and payment info such as a credit or debit card. Before entering card data, confirm the page is secure by checking for HTTPS in the address bar and a lock icon. Make sure names match the IDs you'll use at check-in, and review currency and taxes so totals are clear. After payment, you'll receive an email confirmation right away. It typically includes your reservation number, the booking partner or hotel contact details, and the cancellation or change policy. Save or screenshot this confirmation and consider adding the dates to your calendar. Finally, review the cancellation window